Good morning, Red SS channel fans and followers. It is very early. I just passed 7 a.m. on my way to the final SS car meet in the DC area that I know of, at least in Maryland. And it's been almost exactly 1 year since I took delivery and ownership of this awesome 2016 Chevy SS. Anyway, let's get on the road. Now there's a rare exterior mod we don't see too often. The roof racks.
Yeah, gotta carry the surfboards.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
And are those actual Holden branded ones?
That was the best way to get them on there.
Oh, nice.
Jason?
Holden roof racks. Check that out. Jason's car.
I know, but I called you.
And he's got a little passenger.
No, I was saying like,
I got the little one. Is she awake yet?
Yeah, she's kind of like, what's going on? I'm Armin, by the way.
Armin, Jason.
Jason, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you. Hi, don't be scared.
She's like, who are all these strange people?
Hi. You woke up, huh?
Those look good.
I like them.
Yeah, when's the first time we seen them?
Yeah, I've never seen them. Holden branded too.
I had my 9.6 longboard on there last week.
Okay.
But this is
Okay. See? Ultimate family car.
Yeah. Black.
Yeah, he went all murdered out on this one just about. The only thing not blacked out are his wheels. Oh no, then he still has a chrome trim on the side. So he's still chrome trim on the sides. He just blacked out the front. But yeah, he's got Holden branded roof racks. That's so rare. That's cool. Tim showing off his supercharged SS. we have Eric showing off his solo catback.
That ain't no sleeper no more. Waking up the neighbors.
Gotta love these Malibus.
Oh yeah.
It's just a Malibu.
Horsepower. He said he wanted to sell his and get a 2017 if they lowered the prices again. So.
Does anybody clean their engine bay? Yeah, I've done it. You're okay to do it. I've done it. So.
I did it once. My car's not old enough to really.
I just use Adams all-purpose cleaner. You can use Simple Green diluted, and I literally just spray it.
Yeah, and hose it
and
down.
just scrub it a little bit with a soft bristle brush.
Okay.
I use a wheel brush so it doesn't scratch, and it's soft, and then hose it down. And I just leave the hood open, let it air out.
Hose out the entire
engine bay.
Wow.
Yeah, no issues.
There's a whole lot of people.
Look at Eric's car. It needs a wash. We need to clean that bay. Look at that bay. I'm just messing with you, dude. I didn't wash my car either, so I'm gonna wash. I gotta wash it on Sunday. It's dirty.
When I get home.
To me, it is.
I was gonna clean it yesterday, but this car's a magnet for brake dust.
But
oh well, yeah. It's the brake, and then you got the fronts though. Why the fronts?
we got Joseph's SSV. Love this blue one. It's got the coolest wheels. I was in the last video. Got the Regal Peacock. Got that other Mr. Green here. We got Joe's Regal Peacock Green. Mike's. Lots of good SSs here. Good showing. Yeah, I like that plaque. That's cool. You made it yourself.
Thanks, sir.
That one too, or
Yeah, that one also.
okay?
Yeah, I just got to the design and then I just took it over to the same place that did the plaque for me.
Oh, nice.
For me, so I just printed it out. I think the only other thing I'm gonna do now, show-wise, I'll probably do carbon fiber intake manifold, and I might change this up, and I might change the tubing up.
So more decorative kind of exterior, in whatever.
Yeah,
that's cool.
It's more aesthetics for the next show.
Yeah.
But like I said, the heads and the camera going in probably December.
Okay, there we go. Okay, it's going. That's like next month.
Yeah, that's next month.
Okay.
Yeah, next month.
Okay, video, please. So you're really going down that HSV path, aren't you?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
It'll probably maybe in like another year or so.
Okay.
Supercharger.
Okay. That's really going down the HSV path.
Yeah, it's an extreme, man. It's all in or nothing.
Down the rabbit hole we go.
Yeah.
I love it. Love it.
Looks fast.
Just like Tim did.
Yeah.
Now Tim's thinking Walkinshaw performance levels. What can I do next? What can I do next? What can I do next?
Well, I didn't do the camera.
Yeah,
head,
I know.
so.
That's true. Yeah.
I was like, let's mess with this Daytona real quick. I'll just cruise.
Daytona just pulled up.
I got quick headers, solo catback.
What did he say? He asked if it was a Grand National?
Yeah.
Geo Grand National? I'm telling you, man, this car's still a mystery to people.
I know.
I don't mind keeping it that way.
No,
It's always a good conversation.
I need to watch it around. So I can't hang up with these guys.
Even if it was
I know.
Did you hear what he asked? He said, what is that, a Buick Grand National? Love the mystery sometimes. Love the mystery sometimes.
Yeah, they're in now.
Bye.
No, he's actually
Mitch is driving.
Now, find me some Australian fans who might make it happen.
another SS meet in the books. Great time seeing everybody, meeting a couple new faces, some interesting and fun questions from passerbys. As always, thanks again for checking out the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.